Confusion reigns supreme, but it appears the markets just want to go higher. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, May the 27th. And certainly the action is furious but slow. Interesting words to use, but we've got a market that's trying to go higher on light volume because, of course, we're getting closer and closer to the holiday weekend, and many traders are probably already gone. This update is brought to you by our friends at the CTG Group, and of course, although I have many other brokers, CTG is our preferred broker for futures and commodities. They're the only authorized vendor of our letter direction trading. They do a great job, great customer service, have some brand new managed futures products you want to check out. In the meantime, if you want some information, go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, the markets are up across the board. Dow's up about 200, Russell's up over about 200, S&P up about 16, and the NASDAQ trailing, but still up 18. Of course, the NASDAQ was getting crushed before now rallying. So we'll see. Again, we're long the NASDAQ, long the S&P, short the Russell, short the Dow. In the meantime, gold. Well, we'll do gold. Gold and silver are under a little bit of pressure today, along with platinum. I don't think it's any big deal. We're long gold and silver, and would be long platinum if it was liquid enough to trade. But overall, I mean, you can't expect it to go straight up, nor do you want it to. You want these slow, grinding rallies when you're long them. Okay, crude is higher after being lower, about 70-80 cents. Now it's higher by about 12. Look, crude wants to go higher. The criminals are in charge. You've got an idiot running the shop, and that's just what you got. So you can expect these prices to go up and continue to go higher as we move forward. The dollar is under pressure, of course, back below that 90 level. Copper is exploding, and we're short. By the way, we are short dollars as well. Net gas is lower, and we're short. So you can see the overall picture. Bonds and notes are getting hammered, which again looks like the bond vigilantes are back. Now we are long both bonds and notes, but again, we don't look one day at a time. It's too much to think about one day or one period. Let the markets trade, let the trends develop, and that's the way that you want to be. And of course, the volatility in grains is unbelievable. Corn, after being lower, is now higher by 23 cents. It's almost comical. Soybeans are down big, are now up 18, and wheat is now up 13. So we're seeing some wild volatility, which I said yesterday on Market Rally Radio, that is signaling potentially a bottom of the moves here, as we see much. Typically you see much more volatility at tops and bottoms, and of course it looked like we had bottom. So but we are short across the board. The meats are feeders are getting cracked. They're down about $2.50. Fats are lower by marginally, and hogs are slightly higher. And the softs department, cotton is lower. We're short. Coffee is flat, and we're long. Sugar is higher, and we're short. Cocoa is lower, and we're short. OJ is higher, and we're long. And by the way, we are long the meats across the board. So in the meanwhile, again, just let them trade, but it is very quiet and very much of a challenge in today's world when you've got no volume, no action, and a confused market. So make sure you're using your discipline and patience. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner. We have other equity brokers as well, but that is Tradier. And of course, the biggest thing is $10 a month. How can you pass that up? But if you pass that up, how can you pass up the opportunity for automation and being able to trade? Now, you don't have to. That is entirely up to you, but it is included in your membership for your equity portfolio. So if you want to use it, great. If you don't, stay where you're at. Hey, there's no pressure to move. We don't care. We're just making things available to you. Our great partners at Family Farms, and who could think of better partners who both want to help farmers and take care of farmers and let them do their job, which is farming, and let us help them with the defense and protecting their capital. And of course, our commodity report called Technimental, written by Andy Heck. There is no report like it. If you're trading commodities, you have to have this report. That's all I can tell you. There is nothing like it. 40 years in the business, #1 writer at Seeking Alpha, bar charts, plus as a commercial trader of commodities. Technimental at BUBBATrading.com. And of course, our high school program, if you want to help us out, at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow. It's Friday, right here on Bubba's Daily Update.